How to make Christianity in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to follow these steps, and the first step is just bring water on your boat, then bring water on top of it. You get lake. After getting lake, just simply search for lake again and then add it on top of lake and you get ocean. After that you need to search for ocean again and add it on ocean. We get sea this way. Now get back and add earth on your sea and we get island. After that we need to add island on top of island, so we will simply search for island and add it on top of it and we get continent. After that we need to add wind on our board and add earth to it. We get dust. Now we need to add water to this dust and we get mud. After that we need to search for mud and add it on mud. We get clay this way, and after that we need to bring fire on board, and after that add fire on top of it. We get volcano. After that mix volcano with clay and we get ceramic. After that we need to add this ceramic on continent and we get China. And this way we need to bring fire on board, and after that bring wind and we get smoke. Now we need to bring earth on board, then bring water and we get plant. Now we need to add this plant and smoke together. We get incense, and after that we need to add plant on board. So simply search for plant. Since we already created it, we will be able to find it. And after that add another plant on top of it and we get tree. Now we need to search for tree and add this tree on top of tree. We get forest. Now add another tree on forest and we get wood. Now add another tree on wood and we get paper. After that add this paper on incense and we get prayer. After that get back, add another tree on board and get back. Now this time we need to add fire on our tree and we get ash. Now we need to add water on ash and we get puddle. After that bring plant on board and add wind to it and we get dandelion. After that we need to bring water on our board, then bring fire on water and we get steam. Bring another fire on steam and we get engine. After that add this engine on dandelion and we get helicopter. After that add this helicopter on puddle and we get splash. After that add this particular splash on prayer and we get baptism. After that add this baptism to China. And this is how we will be able to get Christianity, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.